Step 1, save for the down payment and closing cost fees. I know this is the boring part and you want to just skip over to looking at homes and picking out the decor, but this is the most important step. And why? It is step 1. Buying a home is the most important, largest financial investment. So the questions you need to ask yourself is, am I ready to buy? Do I have the money for the down payment? Closing cost fees, a reserve for future repairs? Once you own a home, you no longer have a landlord or a maintenance man to call. You need to make sure you have a reserve so you do not stress out as things will break. That's just part of being a homeowner. You keep hearing words like down payment and closing cost fees, and are you wondering what that is and how much money do you need? Down payment is based on the loan program you are choosing. They can range from 0 down with a grant program or a VA loan to 3, 5, 10 or more % down. It's based on what your payment it would like to be on the loan program that is best for you and why it is so important to talk with a lender first. They walk you through all the steps so you can understand and help you pick the right loan program. Once you're under contract, closing fees are your title fees, lending, HOA, taxes, and insurance. This can range between 1 and 3% of the purchase price. Now that I have mentioned a lender, how do you get pre-qualified, are you asking? Click on the video to find out, and don't forget to subscribe.